Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to reset settings on this device. So first of all, you have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the general management. Now let's tap on the reset option, and as you can see on the very first position we've got reset settings, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps. So it is 100% safe if you already tap on reset settings. Now your device is telling you that all the settings which will be removed cannot be recovered, so if you are ready, tap on reset. And as you can see, now your device will reset all the settings and after that it will restart. So let's wait. And as you can see, this device is turned on, so it means that we successfully reset all the settings in it. So actually, that's all. This is how to reset settings in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.